Alright, here we got some jackass parked in the parking lot. As you see, it's backed into the median. And, well, you know, it's just kind of a jackass. Wave, dude. See if I can blow you up here. There we go. Look at this jackass. God. Hold on, guys. I'm sorry. Just gonna see where this guy's from real quick. I don't know. Sorry about this. Let's see where this guy's from. Holy fuck. The guy's from Collier County. He's gonna fucking park like this. Isn't this a fucking dick? Wow. You actually think he's from Collier County? I don't know, if the guy's from Collier County, he wouldn't be fucking doing this. Parking like a fucking dick.
Alright?
Yeah, I'm just wondering why you're parking like this. Hey, see my car?
I see it.
This is what happened. Somebody parked like that. So, I'm just wondering why you're parking like this.
Nobody else here. I'm waiting for I can see my wife coming out of the
I get you, boss.
I'm not an idiot. I'm not going to do that.
I get you, but,
Right?
you know, it's just two parking spots. I get it, bro. But,
Alright.
so...